Well, heading back to my parents' house to visit for dinner. And just wanted to show you guys how much snow there is. See the big snow mounds in the center of the road. Definitely a foot of snow on the yard. It's pretty stinking crazy. The roads are nice, which is great. The mounds of snow that the parking lots have cleared is absolutely nuts. It's pretty stinking cool. A lot of snow to play on. I bet the skiers are loving it. This is the problem with the snow in the center of the road. Makes it to where it's hard to make left turns and stuff and, form a line. Oh, look at that mound. Dang. Oh, look at over there. Big old mounds, man. Unbelievable. I'd much rather be experiencing the severe weather out in the Mississippi Valley. But this is cool too, I guess. Really glad the roads are clear. It's actually shocking that they're clear. After snow like that, you don't expect any roads to be clear. That good old salt. Plus, it's already been well over a day since all the snow fell. We were last night was supposed to be real windy and blow the snow everywhere, but that never materialized. So kind of got a little bit of sun peeking out of the clouds. Well, I just wanted to update you guys on what it looks like out here. If I see anything else cool, I'll start recording again. See ya. Look at this hill. It's as big as a car that's pulling away. Well over, I'd say that's over 15 feet high. Just in the parking lot of Albertsons. That is nuts.